Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Maths with Kamchai. Today I want us to go the revision test that you wrote. Okay, so these are the couple of questions that we had. I'll be brief on the answers. So the first one then, 5 over 8 plus 2 over 3. We find the common factor there of 8 and of 3. Our common factor here is lowest common factor or lowest common multiple is 24. Okay, so if I have 24 there, I'm going to say 8 into 24, I will get 3 times 5, I'll get 3 times 5 here. Okay, then I say plus 3 into 24 is 8, 8 times 2, like that. Okay, so this is what I'm having. So I'll have 15 plus 16 over 24, like that. Okay, let's simplify. Simplifying this, I'll get 15 plus 16, I get 31 over 24. Okay, and I can simplify this and have it as this is the same as 1. This is the same as 1 whole 7 over 24. Okay, so this is the final answer there. Let's go to part B. Part B of the question was 5 over 8 times 2 over 3. So for this one, I can even divide 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 8 there, it goes there 4 times. And when I have something like this, it's as good as 5 times 1 over 4 times 3. Okay, like that. So if I do that, I will end up having 5 over 4 times 3, I get 12. So this is my answer there. Okay, let's do the last part, part C. Part C is our part C is equal to 5 over 8 divided by 3 wholes and 3 quarters. We said for this one, you multiply on the bottom, add on the top. Let's multiply and add there. So I'll get this is equal to 5 over 8 divided by 4 times 3, I get 12. 12 plus 3 over 4, like that. This is now equal to 5 over 8 divided by 15 over 4. Okay, like that. Let's now convert this division sign and have a multiplication and invert these two. Okay, like that. So I'll end up having 5 over 8 times 4 over 15. And we can divide now. 4 there can go into 8, 2, 5 there, 1, 5 into this one, 3. So I now have something like 1 times 1 over 2 times 3. And we can have it as 1 over 2 times 3, we get 6. So this is our final answer there. Okay, let's move on to some directed numbers. I've got minus 8 minus 3. Okay, so when we have minus 8 minus 3, we will get minus 11. Okay, then we have got plus 2 times minus 7. It's as good as we have got 2 times minus 7. We will get minus 14 there. Okay, then this one, part C, minus 8 plus minus 3. It's as good as minus 8 minus 3, which is this one that we got minus 11. So we will get minus 11. Okay, then this other one, then I've got 2 times minus 7. It's what I just highlighted here. So we'll get minus 14 there. Okay, I was just like these questions, you find out these answers are the same. I was just trying to trick you guys. Otherwise, it was not that difficult. Minus 9 minus 4 is the same as minus 9 plus 4. We get minus 5 there. Okay, let's go on to the next one. 6 divided by minus 3, we have 6 over, this is the same as 6 over minus 3, we will get minus 2 there. Okay, then the other one, minus 9 plus 4, we did it, we get minus 5 there. Okay, then the last one, 6 plus 6 divided by minus 3 is the same as 6 over minus 3. We will get minus 2 there. Okay, fine. Let's move on, guys. Moving on, we will have, okay, we are expanding now. So for this one, it's simply like you are multiplying 3 with each and every element inside the bracket. So I will have 3 by A, 3A, 3 by minus 2B, I get minus 6B. Okay, so I'm done here. Part B, I do the same, so I'll get 5x plus 8x squared. And if you want, you can leave it like that, or you can start with the squared 8x squared plus 5x. It's one and the same thing. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, this one is saying factorize. So when we are factorizing, we are finding the common factor. Common factor for 5y and 10yb is 5y. Then I'll remain with 1 there minus 2b there. Okay, I have factorized this part. Let's go to part B. Common factor 3bx minus 6b. I've got 3b. Okay, then on this one I'll remain with x, then minus 2 there. Okay, so I have factorized there. Let's go on to the next question, number 5. Okay, this one we wanted to express in standard form. We said when we are expressing in standard form, if it's a negative, if it's a decimal like this, you count going this side, it means it's going to be to the power of minus something. So I want to know the number. I'll say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now I have a number, so I can say 10 to the power of minus 5. Then times our 3 there. We are done. Let's go to the next one. It's also going to be a negative power. So I can say times 10 to the power of what? Minus what? I will count minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I have a number, so I'll stop at 2 there. Okay, so I say 2.5 times 10 to the power of, I said minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, like that. That's what we do. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is what I want us to express in ordinary number or as a decimal fraction. So we said we can say this is 9 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. And this is equal to, you can divide 9 divided by 10,000 there, and you get the number, or else you can simply write 0, 0, because of this negative there, 0, 0. I'm going to have a 9 here. Why? If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got my minus 4 there, so I'll leave it like that. So this is my answer. Then this other one, you can even say 5.7 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We've got 7 zeros there. Then you divide and you get your, this one is a 3 there. Sorry for that. This is a 3. Okay, then you get your value there. That's what you do. Me, I like the way where I write 0.0000000. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can have another one. Then I say 5, 3 here. Okay, so this is the number there that we want. I simply count the numbers there. I'm simply counting. So if I say 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, I get my minus 7 then. That's what I'm doing there. So this is the final answer then. Okay, this is my final answer. Let's go to number 7. Okay, here we are now multiplying. When multiplying this one, we said we can simply say 6 times 8, then times 10 to the power of these powers, we add them. I've got 9 plus 2 because they are multiplying. Then we say 6 times 8, we get 48 times 10 to the power of 11. This 48 here is not in terms of our standard form. We have to move a comma there, so we have to say plus 1 there. Okay, so if we move there, we have 4.8 times 10 to the power of 12. That's our answer there. Let's move on to the other question. Okay, this time we are dividing, so I can simply say 6 divided by 8 times 10 to the power of these ones are dividing, so I can simply subtract them and say 3 minus 2 like that. Then 6 divided by 8, we get 0.75 times 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 2, we get 5 there. Okay, but here we don't have a number. in standard form, so I'm going to move it this way, which is going to be a minus 1 here. Okay, so I will subtract. If I subtract, I'll end up getting 7,5 now times 10 to the power of 4. This becomes the answer there. Let's move on to the next question. The next question, we are subtracting. When subtracting, we said we can take the common factor. This one is the common factor, and here I can say it's 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 1, which makes it 6 there. So I can have 10 to the power of 5 as the common factor, and I'll remain with 2.9 times 10 to the power of 1 minus 3.8, like that. Okay, then I can have 10 to the power of 5. This one is the same as 29 minus 3.8, like that. And if I subtract them, I will get 2.52. Okay, so my final answer is going to be equal to 2.52 times 10 to the power of 5, like that. That's my final answer. Let's go on to addition. We take again the common factor, this one, and this one is the same as 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 1. So I'm taking this factor here as the common factor, 10 to the power of 3. Then I'll remain with 6.28 plus 9.5 times 10 to the power of 1, like that. So this is the same as 10 to the power of 3, 6.25 plus 95, like that. So we'll get 10 to the power of 3. Inside there, I'll get 101.28. Okay, if I add them. Now, because of the commas here, I can move it 1, 2 times there. So it means I'm going to add plus 2 there because it's positive and there's no comma there. So my final answer there will become as 1.0128 times 10 to the power of 5. Okay, that's how we add that one. Number 8, they are saying simplify. So I'm going to simplify the first one. I'll get minus 3h. Here, there are g's, so I can say minus 6g plus 10g, I get plus 4g. And if you want, you can leave it as 4g minus 3h. Okay, like that. It's one and the same thing, or it's also correct. Then this one, I can add this d and this d and have 8d minus 7d minus 3. I'll get nd minus 3. That's the final answer there. Let's go to number 9. Oh, we have got part C there. Fine. Let's simplify. These are all A's there. The first part here, I can get minus 2a. This other part there, I can get plus 11a minus 4a. I'll get plus what? Plus 7a. Yes, I'll get plus 7a. I'll get plus 7a there. Okay, fine. Then I can add minus 2 plus 7a. I'll get 5a. Okay, that's fine. So that's our answer there. Then this other one, 7x plus 3x, I get 10x. Minus x minus 5x, I get minus 6x. Okay. 10x minus 6x, I get 4x. Okay, that's fine there. Let's go on and finish. Okay, we are now on number 9. I'm going to multiply this one with this whole bracket and this one with this whole bracket. Let's do that. Okay, if I do that, I'll get 6x minus 3x squared minus 30 minus 5x and plus 10x squared, like that. So the squared, I'll take them together. I'll end up having 7x squared there. Then the 6x and this one, I'll get minus x there. Then this one, minus 30. So that's our final answer there. Let's go on to the other one. Expand that bracket. So when expanding, we can simply say this is 2b by 5 minus 5b there. 5b minus 2b plus 3b, 5b minus 2b. Okay, we are multiplying those. And I can get here 10b squared minus 4b squared plus 15b squared here and minus 6b squared. Okay, so they are all b squared. We can simplify them. 10b squared minus this one, I'll get here a 6b squared. Then for this one, I can get what? I can get plus 9b squared. Okay, so I now have 6b squared plus 9b squared. I'll get 15b squared. So that's our final answer there. Okay, number 10, they are also saying expand. So this one, we said we can simply say m plus 4n. Okay, then I'll now expand m by 4. Okay, that's m plus 4n there, multiplying plus 4n, multiplying m plus 4n there. Okay, like that. Then I'll get m squared here plus 4mn plus 4mn, then plus 16n squared. Okay, so this becomes m squared plus 8mn plus 16n squared, like that. So that's our final answer. We cannot further simplify that. Let's go to number 11. Okay, here we've got same common denominator there, so I can simply say 7 over everything over 7, sorry, and have 3x plus 2x, and I can add the numerators there and have 5x here over 7. This is our final answer. Let's do the last question. Okay, for this one, the common factor here, we can even simply multiply this one and this one, and we can have 15ac. Now we are saying 3a into this one, it is going to be 5c times 7 minus 5c into this one again, it is going to be 3a by 6, like that. So we now simplify 5c times 7, that's 35c, minus 3a times 6, we get 18a, all over 15ac. This is our final answer. We cannot simplify. Okay, guys, that was our test. It was out of 45. I hope you all got it correct. Bye bye.